People love violence. They'll slow down at a car wreck to check for bodies. Same people claim to love boxing. They got no idea what it is. Boxing is about respect. Getting it for yourself and taking it away from the other guy.
I'll warm up the car.
Mr. Dunn.
I owe you money.
No, sir.
I know your mama.
Don't rightly know, sir.
What is it you want?
I was on the undercard. I won my fight, too. Maggie Fitzgerald?
Well, Maggie Fitzgerald, what's up?
Did you happen to see it?
Nope.
I did pretty good. Thought you might be interested in training me.
I don't train girls.
Maybe you should. People see me fight, say I'm pretty tough.
Girly, tough ain't enough.
She grew up knowing one thing. She was trash.
It's from my dog.
She'd come 1,800 miles, but the adultery was still just over the hill.
Working the bag, boss.
Not your boss. You have bags working you. Give her her money back.
You sure?
How much did she pay?
6 months.
Christ.
No, let's give it back.
No, don't be a smartass now, will you? Woman thinks I'm gonna throw away 6 months worth of dues just to get rid of her. She's out of her mind. But just don't encourage her, understand?
Show him how to keep their balance and take it away from the other guy. How to generate momentum off your right toe. And how to flex your knees when you fire a jab. How to fight back and up so that the other guy doesn't want to come after you. Then you gotta show them all over again, over and over and over, till they think they were born that way.
Enough for today. Good work. Good girl.
Think I'm ready for a fight, boss?
Didn't take Maggie long to hit her stride. After that, no manager wanted to put his fighter in with Maggie. Frankie had to go into his pocket to get a decent fight, sweetening the purse by paying managers on the side. That only worked for so long. Then Frankie did something he hated doing. He took a chance. He moved her up in class. That could have been a mistake.
Hey, give us 2 seconds, will you? Just 2 seconds. Your nose is broke.
Dang. Fix it.
I can't.
You can fix it.
I can't. I've got to call it.
I've seen what you can do. Fix it.
Look, I can snap it back into place, but I can't stop the bleeding. The ring doctor's gonna call it.
Please, Frank, if you can stop the blood, I can beat her.
Bite down on this. Inhale. Breathe in. Okay, huh?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, right. All right. You got 20 seconds before this turns into a geyser and it's gonna spray all over the front row. 20 seconds, that's all you've got. Now get going.
Go to your corner!
10.
Boss, that little house we talked about, I bought it
Smart girl.
for my mama. It's only about a mile from where she lives now. No mortgage, just like you said.
You're a good daughter.
She don't know about it yet. I was hoping maybe we could stay an extra day, drive over there. I know she wants to meet you.
Yeah, we could do that.